Hello all, welcome to my channel, FantaBH here. Today video something different and it will not take long. We all know Windows 25 H2 is out already for few months, but maybe some don't know, maybe some know, but Microsoft decided to make our life harder with new version of Windows, and that is because all known methods to skip Microsoft account during the install of Windows is patched and does not work anymore. I'm not here to show you how those methods does not work. If you don't believe me, try it. I am here to show you one easy method to avoid headache around local account access. So first thing you going to do when you run into problem and when, like you see on the screen, there is no option to say I have no internet and to type local account, or to bring command prompt with Shift F10 shortcut and type command into your command prompt, which will magically allow you to click I have no internet and use local account. However, if you open on mobile phone or another computer and type how to skip Microsoft account on the Windows 25 H2, you will run to many videos and advice. Use this script, Shift F10 and open command prompt and use this link. It will download the script and execute script on your machine, and you will be able to access local account without much hassle, and what is most important, without knowing what is exactly in the script. So I will not tell you that those scripts are malicious or not. I didn't test them, I didn't check them, I have no idea what is how code in those scripts looks and what it do. But I'm here to tell you what the hell you do. You know for years already, for one and only one free and trusted method to avoid using Microsoft account, and as well to enable Windows 11 to be installed on unsupported devices. It's program free for use, free from malicious, for any malicious code in it. It's called Rufus. Just go to Microsoft, download ISO files, use Rufus like you see on the screen, build your USB drive and install your Windows from that USB drive. Or if you wanna just upgrade your Windows to 25H2, use same USB drive and execute setup from it to upgrade your current installation on your drive. It's so easy. Don't be stupid. Don't fall to all advice from big YouTubers, to all who tell you use this script, use this link to enable local account access. Please do not do that. Use Rufus from now on and use it forever. It's so beautiful software. It will do all the job for you without any hassle. That is all what I wanted in this video to show you, to tell you. So people, use Rufus. You see on this laptop, old Lenovo 6th generation i5 CPU, no TPM, 2.0 version. It's unsupported. Windows 11 cannot be normally installed on this laptop. It running, what you see, it running Windows 25 H2. It working on unsupported device. How? Because I used Rufus, like you have seen. Rufus, it's given to you for free with open source, so you can check everything how it works, what it executes when you're running it, when you're building your USB, and it's constantly updated with new version of Windows, new version of Rufus coming out. So use it, people, use it. If it is given for free, use it. Thank you for watching and see you with next video.